In SOCS 335, Workplace Culture and Communication, papers are required to be written in APA format. In this course, a template has been created to help you with writing those papers in APA format. First of all, in your course, at the main page, you'll notice that there is an area called Doc Sharing. If you click on Doc Sharing, somewhere in this window, it may be in a different order than what you see right now, you'll see something called a template for papers. Right click and download this paper. After you download it to your computer, open it up in Word. You'll see that a template is been created that has a title page, the beginning of a main page of text, and then a page of references. If you take a look at the title page, it is formatted in correct APA. You'll notice that it has an area where you insert the title of the paper, a place for you to insert your name, first and last name. DeVry University Online is already listed. The name of the course is already listed. The professor's name is listed. You need to insert the month, day, and year. Now if you take a look at the top of the title page, there's an area called header. In order to change the header, you put your cursor somewhere in this area and left click. And in this area then you'll be able to actually change the name of the header. When you're done editing the header, click somewhere else on the paper. Sometimes the paper will jump when you do that. Well, that's the title page. Now the page 2 is where the primary paper begins. When we say that a paper has so many pages of content, we're talking about this page forward. We're not talking about the title page or the references page. You'll notice that you'll need to put the title again on page 2. A heading has already been inserted called Introduction, and Conclusion has also been listed. You will need to insert additional headings per the assignment. And then in this area is where we would begin inserting text, writing the paper. And notice that the paragraphs in the main body of the paper, the first line is indented. Another important area is the final part of the paper called references. You'll notice that the textbook is already listed in appropriate APA format. You'll notice that APA requires something called hanging indent. If you wonder on how that's changed, you just put your cursor somewhere in this area, right click, click paragraph, and you'll notice that for indentation it's called hanging. The more important element of references is that any source that's listed in references must be cited in appropriate APA format in the body of the paper. I trust that this will help you write papers in APA format, understand a little bit more about APA format. Remember, in the syllabus there's an area for an APA tutorial. Very good quality. I encourage you to review that. Thank you.